Hi, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today is 22nd of February 2026, and right now it's 11:20 p.m. and yeah, I haven't been sharing any updates. 70 days are left on it, and here is why I'm making this video right now. I really need some help. Okay, the thing is, I haven't been working hard like I am supposed to. I am trying to keep up with the consistency and everything, but I am failing miserably. Okay, so the motivation which I had to create this video was it suddenly dropped, and I stopped, posting videos altogether. Um, and I've been really inconsistent with it too. So I'm really sorry for that. I really need your guy, your help. The thing is, since I noticed one thing that Umid series came up, and yeah, like since like last 2 days, I have been doing Umid series collection. You know, the ones sorry, the ones Vipin said is like taking. I did 2 days. I was also doing today, but then I felt like making this video, so I recorded my camera, and after this, I'll just go into studying again. So yeah, so what I'm saying is that I really need your help. The thing is, I couldn't catch up with Mission 100. Okay, and since Umi series came kinda early this time, so do you guys suggest me to do my physics and chemistry from Umid, or from Mission 100? Because see, I have backlogs from Mission 100, and I am only stuck at NLM, atomic structure and electrochemistry from what's that called, chemistry. And so yeah, and above bio, I started doing it from the Wumi series. As since my bio is like pretty much done, so I'm not worrying about it, but I'm worried about physics and chemistry. So please let me know that what would be the best plausible option for me right now, because I'm really confused that should I complete my backlogs from Mission 100 lectures, or I should start doing um, my physics and chemistry and from Umi series after Vipin search like 10 days is like ended. So yeah. Yeah, and the chapters which said did for biology, yeah, I completed those chapters and also solved lots of questions, and I think it is kind of helping me a lot to study with live lectures, not in 2x, live lectures. So I think yeah, that's kind of helping me a lot. And yeah, that's about today. This video is going to be short because I just wanted to make this video just to get suggestions from you guys. And yeah, best of luck for the exam, and I hope you guys taking care of yourself, because again, you matter, not this exam. Yeah, I mean, this exam also matters, but you matter most. So yeah, and take care of yourself, take care of your mental health, and also don't slack off like me, please. I wouldn't suggest that. Just keep on studying and be consistent. And also about the Discord, yeah, there is Discord, like a study community server in my, like the link is in my bio. So if you want to join, please you can join. And one more thing is that I'm feeling really drained lately, so I don't think I'll interact in the server much, because I'm not feeling like it. Because I am a very, I would say, an ambivert kind of person. So it really drains me when I talk to people sometimes. So yeah, that's why I'm going to be AFK for a while in this Discord server. And yeah, other than that, everything is going pretty great. And yeah, please study, okay? Don't slack off like me. I'm trying to be consistent. And please let me know, what should I do? Should I do my physics chemistry from Umi series, or should I do my complete my backlogs from Mission 100? So yeah, bye. And also, by the way, I'm doing my bio from Umi series. Like within 10 days, if I'm done with my biology, I'll be like all relieved, and I just have to worry about physics and chemistry now. So yeah, please let me know. And yeah, good night. Or if you're studying, then keep studying, work harder, and yeah, slay. Bye.